Alright guys, welcome back. This is Dag will fix it, and we're going to change the front wipers now. This is how easy it is, right? So I ordered these Bosch ones off Amazon. In the shops we're getting for around 30 quid, 5 quid for delivery. I got them for 19 quid and Amazon primed it one time next day. So let this aeroplane just pass. So I'm going to show you how to change these over. My front wipers are mashed, make a lot of noise. They're a bit worn. Let's have a quick look, see what we can see. They just look a little, where is it? They just look a little battered. They're just making a lot of noise. You can see the bend up here as well. Look at that, the shape. They're out of line. So they're making a lot of noise when they're running. And you can see they're just kind of worn out. So we're going to swap these over, and I'm going to show you how easy BMW have made this, right? So like I said, the wipers cost 20 quid. But if you go somewhere else, they'll probably cost a bit more. But so one wiper, you can see one wiper is actually shorter than the other. So the long one obviously goes on the right hand drive, you can see that, and then this one will go there like that. All right, this is how easy it. Watch this. Okay, lift the wiper off. Okay, all you got to do is rotate it. I'm just going to try and get you a good view because I'm holding the camera at the same time. So you just flick it across. So you can see it's kind of held in by something. When you flick it across, you can actually just slide it off one-handed. Look at this, one-handed. That's what you call skills, bro. Done. Don't let it hit the windscreen, otherwise it'll bloody put a dent in your screen. Done. That's how easy it is, right? So if we get the short one, see if I can put this on one-handed. Okay, so there's a hole, you just line, so you can see there's a hole, just line it up, push it on, make sure it's on properly, otherwise make sure it's on properly so it just kind of moves freely. Done. How easy was that? I don't even need to show you the second one. It's the same thing for the second one. Just rotate it up, turn it around, and you're good to go. Alright, there you go, 2 minutes. Saves you probably, I think wiper change normally at BM costs around 60 quid. 60 quid, so I paid 20 for the wipers and it took me what? 1 minute? Even less if I was doing it without a camera in my hand, right? So there you go, man. Thanks for watching. Please sub the channel, please like, thanks a lot, and peace out.